When you looked up at the sky, could you actually see the stars and the solar corona in spite of the glare?
We were never able to see stars from the lunar surface or on the daylight side of the moon by eye without looking through the optics. I don't recall during the period of time that we were photographing the solar corona what stars we could see.
I don't remember seeing any.
So can stars be seen from space during daylight? I have 4 different video clips I'm going to play, and we'll see if you guys can figure out what the answer is. This first guy gives a fairly detailed explanation.
And we were oriented such that we were rotating to keep thermal balance on the spacecraft, and oriented in such a way that every 2 minutes the Earth, the Moon, the Sun, and a 360-degree panorama of the heavens appeared in the cabin window. And that was awesome. It was an overwhelming experience. And we have to realize that in space, without the intervening atmosphere, the heavens are 10 times as bright, stars 10 times as numerous, because there's no atmosphere to block the light.
So do you know what the answer is? I'll play some more video from this guy and then see what you think.
Actually, on my very first mission, we went up, and when you're in space and you're looking into deep space and you're on the sun side of the orbit, the sunlight washes out all the starlight, so you can't see any stars, just like here on Earth. But then when you look out into deep space away from the sun, it's the darkest black you can imagine.
Well, maybe these next 2 guys can help you make a decision.
From Mark Cameron. This is from Mark Cameron.
Whilst in space, have you ever looked away from Earth into the black void?
Yeah.
Yeah,
because you can see. You can see the stars.
Oh yeah.
You know, and pretty much all the time you can see the stars.
Yeah. It's not a black void. I mean, it's black, but there's all kinds of little polka dots.
There's all the stars there, and the cool thing is about it, you can see it during the day.
This next video clip comes from a video called Space Shuttle Flight 3 STS-3 Post-Flight Presentation.
So one of the neat things is in the sunlight, when it came off the orbiter white, boy, that was white. And when you looked out into the nothing, into the sky, that was the blackest black you ever want to see.
And in the daylight, of course, we couldn't see any stars behind that black. So we had a black sky instead of a blue one.
So here is a summary compilation of the 4 video clips. See if you can figure out what the answer is.
And we have to realize that in space, without the intervening atmosphere, the heavens are 10 times as bright, stars 10 times as numerous.
The sunlight washes out all the starlight, so you can't see any stars, just like here on Earth.
There's all the stars there, and the cool thing is about it, you can see it during the day.
And in the daylight, of course, we couldn't see any stars behind that black.
And also, I thought I would share some video from the International Space Station.